The 12 universal laws that govern our lives. Imagine yourself embarking on an expedition through the vast and mysterious cosmos of existence. Today, we invite you to join us on this enlightening adventure as we explore the 12 universal laws that govern our lives. These laws are like keys that unlock the secrets of the universe, offering a deeper understanding of how life truly operates. The concept of universal laws transcends time and space, permeating every aspect of our existence. From ancient philosophers to modern thinkers, the quest for these universal principles has been a constant. These laws are not mere theories, they are the essence of reality, shaping everything from the movements of planets to the beats of our hearts. By understanding these laws, we open the doors to a new way of living and interacting with the world around us. As the great Albert Einstein said, "Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better." These laws help us navigate life with greater wisdom, harmony, and purpose, aligning us with the natural flow of the universe. So get ready for a journey of discovery and transformation. As we delve into each of these 12 universal laws, we invite you to reflect on how they manifest in your life and how you can use them to create the reality you desire. Let's unravel the mysteries of the universe together and discover how we can live in harmony with these powerful laws. The first universal law we will explore is the law of divine oneness. This fundamental law reveals a profound truth. Everything in the universe is intrinsically connected, forming a cosmic web of interdependence and unity. Every star in the sky, every leaf on a tree, every thought we have is interconnected in this infinite tapestry of existence. Think of the universe as a vast ocean where each wave, though unique, is part of the same ocean. Likewise, each of us is a unique yet inseparable expression of this greater whole. As Neil deGrasse Tyson said, "We are all connected to each other, biologically, to the Earth, chemically, to the rest of the universe, atomically." This law teaches us to see beyond the illusion of separation, recognizing that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. By understanding the law of divine oneness, we begin to realize how our thoughts, words, and actions have an impact far beyond our immediate environment. Every choice we make, every action we take, ripples through this cosmic web, affecting the whole in ways we often cannot see. This leads us to greater responsibility and a deeper awareness of how we live our lives. This law also invites us to cultivate compassion and empathy, because by understanding that we are all connected, we begin to treat others as extensions of ourselves. The law of divine oneness is a powerful reminder that we are not alone in the universe, but are part of a wonderful cosmic symphony, each playing an essential part in creating universal harmony. The second universal law we explore is the law of vibration. This law teaches us that everything in the universe, from the smallest particle to the vastest galaxy, vibrates at its own unique frequency. Every thought, every emotion, every being, every object is in constant vibrational motion. As Nikola Tesla said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." This law is crucial for understanding how we attract experiences into our lives. Our personal vibrations, created by our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs, act as magnets, drawing circumstances and people that are in harmony with that frequency. If we vibrate with love, joy, and abundance, we attract experiences that resonate with those qualities. Aligning our vibrations with what we want to attract requires awareness and intentional change in our inner states. This can involve practices such as meditation, positive affirmations, gratitude, and visualization. By raising our vibrational frequency, we pave the way for the universe to deliver experiences and resources aligned with our deepest desires. It's important to remember that vibration is more than just an esoteric concept. It's a physical reality that affects everything in our lives. By becoming aware of the vibrations we are emitting, we gain the power to shape our reality in a more deliberate and positive way. The law of vibration empowers us to be the masters of our own life experience, tuning into the frequencies we wish to experience. The third universal law that guides us is the law of action. This law is a powerful reminder that while thoughts and intentions are vital, they must be accompanied by actions for dreams and goals to become reality. As Johann Wolfgang von Goethe said, "In the beginning, the acts were only dreams, and the dreams became reality." The law of action teaches us that it's not enough to just wish or visualize. Concrete steps toward what we desire are necessary. These steps can be small, but consistency and persistence are key to triggering significant changes. Think about how water, with its gentle persistence, can shape even the hardest rock. For example, if your dream is to write a book, the action of writing daily, even if it's just a few words, is a crucial step in making that dream a reality. Or if you want to change careers, actions like studying a new skill, networking, or applying for new opportunities are essential for that transition. The law of action also encourages us to overcome procrastination and fear. Often the biggest obstacle between us and our dreams is ourselves. By taking action, even in the face of fear or uncertainty, we pave the way for personal growth and the realization of our goals. Remember, every action, no matter how small, is a step toward achieving your dreams. The fourth universal law on our journey is the law of correspondence, a principle that reveals a profound truth. The external world is a reflection of our inner world. This law, often summarized by the maxim "as above, so below," shows us that the patterns of our mind and emotions manifest in our external reality. Consider for a moment how your thoughts and attitudes shape your life experience. If you approach the world with negativity or fear, you are likely to encounter challenges and obstacles that reinforce those perceptions. On the other hand, a positive and hopeful approach can open doors to opportunities and enriching connections. As William Shakespeare said, "Nothing is either good or bad, but thinking makes it so." Our inner perception shapes our external experience. The importance of self-awareness and inner work, therefore, cannot be underestimated. By becoming more aware of our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, we gain the ability to actively shape our reality. Inner work involves examining and transforming limiting patterns, cultivating positive qualities, and aligning our thoughts and feelings with the goals and values we wish to manifest in our lives. The law of correspondence encourages us to look inward, to recognize that the key to changing our external reality begins with internal transformation. It invites you to become the architect of your own life, consciously creating the reality you wish to live through the power of your inner world. The fifth law that guides us on our journey of understanding is the law of cause and effect, also known as the law of karma. This universal law states that every action has a corresponding consequence. Nothing happens by chance. Like an echo that returns, each choice we make generates a result that will eventually find its way back to us. Consider how your daily actions, words, and even thoughts create waves of impact in your life and the lives of others. A kind word can brighten someone's day, just as a careless action can cause a series of negative effects. As Isaac Newton said, "For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction." Our actions, whether good or bad, shape the course of our lives. The importance of being mindful of our choices and actions, therefore, is immense. When making decisions, we should consider not only the immediate results, but also the long-term repercussions. This law teaches us to act with responsibility and integrity, knowing that our actions today shape our tomorrow. The law of cause and effect also encourages us to reflect on patterns in our lives. If we encounter recurring challenges, it may be a sign to examine the underlying causes in our actions and thoughts. By understanding and adjusting our actions, we have the power to transform our reality and pave the way for a more positive and rewarding future. The sixth law in our exploration of universal laws is the law of compensation. This law acts as a system of cosmic balance, ensuring that every action has a corresponding consequence. It is an extension of the law of cause and effect, where the universe seeks to balance the scales, ensuring that nothing goes unanswered. Think of the law of compensation as a principle of universal justice. If you plant seeds of kindness, generosity, and love, you will reap similar fruits. Conversely, negative actions tend to generate negative results. As Mahatma Gandhi said, "The law of nature is the law of karma," which means that we reap exactly what we sow. This law teaches us about the importance of our actions and intentions. It encourages us to act ethically and positively, knowing that our actions not only affect our immediate environment, but also have a broader impact on the fabric of the universe. By understanding the law of compensation, we become more aware of the consequences of our actions and more motivated to act in ways that bring balance and harmony. The law of compensation is also intrinsically linked to the concept of karma. Karma is not punishment or reward, but rather a manifestation of the law of compensation. It is a reminder that everything we do comes back to us in some way. This understanding helps us live with greater awareness and responsibility, choosing actions that not only benefit ourselves but also positively contribute to the world around us. The seventh law that we explore in our journey through universal laws is the famous law of attraction. This law is based on the principle that like attracts like. Essentially, this means that the energies we emit, whether through our thoughts, emotions, or actions, attract similar energies back to us. Like a magnet, we attract experiences that are in harmony with our vibrational state. To better understand the law of attraction, think of your emotions and thoughts as waves of energy extending out into the universe. If you are vibrating with gratitude, love, and optimism, you are more likely to attract circumstances and people that reflect those qualities. On the other hand, if you are stuck in patterns of fear, anger, or negativity, you may find yourself attracting experiences that reinforce those feelings. Here are some tips for cultivating positive thoughts and emotions, aligning yourself with the experiences you want to attract. Practice gratitude daily. Acknowledge and appreciate the good things in your life, no matter how small. Use positive affirmations to reinforce constructive beliefs and attitudes. Visualize your goals and dreams. Imagine them as if they were already a reality, feeling the associated emotion of that success. Cultivate positivity. Surround yourself with people and environments that uplift your energy. Believe in your ability to create the life you desire. Confidence is a powerful catalyst for manifestation. Remember, the law of attraction is not a magic wand. It requires work and consistency. But by consciously aligning your thoughts and emotions with your aspirations, you open doors to endless possibilities. As Paulo Coelho said, when you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. The law of attraction is that conspiracy in action. Before we move on to the next law, I want to mention that I've left a video below in the comments with a powerful technique used by billionaires to reprogram the subconscious mind to attract abundant money and success. If you want to reprogram your mind to attract abundance, take a look at the comments. With that said, let's move on to our next law. The eighth law in our exploration of universal laws is the law of perpetual transmutation of energy. This law reveals to us that energy, at its core, is never static. It is always in flux, changing form and manifestation. As the Greek philosopher Heraclitus said, nothing is permanent except change. Everything in the universe, from our thoughts to the stars in the sky, is in a constant state of transformation. This law has profound implications for how we live our lives. It teaches us that even the most challenging or negative aspects of our experience can be transformed. Negative energy doesn't have to be a dead end. It can be a starting point for creating something new and positive. For example, if you're facing a difficult situation, instead of allowing yourself to be consumed by negativity, you can use that energy to propel positive change. This may involve redirecting your focus toward creative solutions, learning from the experience, or using the situation as a catalyst for personal growth. The practice of transforming negative energy into positive can begin with small steps. Recognize and accept your negative emotions, but don't identify with them. Seek lessons and growth opportunities in challenging situations. Use relaxation and meditation techniques to calm the mind and open space for new perspectives. Direct your energy toward constructive actions, such as helping others or dedicating yourself to a passionate project. The law of perpetual transmutation of energy empowers us to be the alchemists of our own lives. It reminds us that we have the power to shape our reality by transforming what appears to be negative into something positively transformative. The ninth law that guides us on our journey of understanding is the law of relativity. This law teaches us that our perception of events is always relative, shaped by our personal experiences, beliefs, and the context in which we live. As Albert Einstein said, reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. Each person sees the world through their own lens, making each experience unique and personal. The 10th law in our exploration of universal laws is the law of polarity. This law reveals to us that in all aspects of life, there are opposites that coexist and complement each other. Like two sides of the same coin, every aspect of reality has an opposite pole. Hot and cold, light and darkness, joy and sadness, success and failure. These opposites are not conflicting forces, but complementary aspects of the same phenomenon. Understanding and accepting the coexistence of these opposites is crucial for achieving greater balance in our lives. By recognizing that life flows between these extremes, we learn to appreciate both the highs and lows, understanding that both are essential to our experience and growth. As Lao Tzu said, "When people see some things as beautiful, other things become ugly. When people see some things as good, other things become bad." The law of polarity also teaches us about the importance of perspective. In times of difficulty, remembering that the opposite also exists can be a source of hope and motivation. For example, in the midst of failure, the seed of success can be found. In sadness, the possibility of joy. By accepting the polar nature of existence, we open up space for a deeper understanding and a more balanced life. This law invites us to embrace the wholeness of life, recognizing that each experience, whether perceived as positive or negative, carries an opportunity for learning and evolution. By accepting and integrating opposites, we find harmony and balance, navigating through life with greater wisdom and gratitude. The 11th law that guides us on our journey through universal laws is the law of rhythm. This law teaches us that life follows rhythmic and cyclical patterns, much like the seasons, the phases of the moon, and the ebb and flow of tides. Everything in the universe has a rhythm, a pattern that repeats itself, a constant dance between movement and stillness. Just as a conductor leads an orchestra, the law of rhythm governs the cycles of our existence. There are moments of intense activity and growth, followed by periods of rest and renewal. Recognizing and respecting these natural rhythms is essential for living a balanced and harmonious life. Flowing with the natural rhythms of life means accepting that we are not always in control of everything. There are times when we must take action and others when it is better to step back and allow things to unfold. As the Greek philosopher Heraclitus said, "Everything flows, nothing stays." By embracing this fluidity, we learn to navigate life's changes more easily and with less resistance. The law of rhythm also encourages us to be mindful of the cycles in our own life. This may involve recognizing patterns in our relationships, career, or health, and adjusting our actions and reactions accordingly. By tuning into these rhythms, we can anticipate and prepare for the natural phases of change, making the most of periods of growth and finding peace and wisdom in moments of stillness. The 12th and final law in our exploration of universal laws is the law of gender. This law reveals that in all aspects of life there are masculine and feminine energies. These energies do not refer to biological genders, but are universal principles present in everything. Masculine energy is often associated with action, direction, and assertiveness, while feminine energy is linked to receptivity, nurturing, and intuition. These energies are complementary and essential for creating and maintaining balance in the universe. As Carl Jung said, the meeting of two personalities is like the contact of two chemical substances. If there is any reaction, both are transformed. Similarly, when masculine and feminine energies meet and interact, there is potential for transformation and growth. The balance of these energies is crucial for our personal and spiritual development. Often we tend to favor or suppress one of these energies, which can lead to imbalances in our lives. For example, an excess of masculine energy can result in aggression or domination, while an excess of feminine energy can lead to passivity or dependence. Cultivating a balance between these energies means recognizing and valuing both qualities within us. This may involve practicing assertiveness and taking initiative, masculine energy, while also allowing yourself to be receptive and intuitive, feminine energy. By balancing these energies, we pave the way for a more harmonious and integrated life, where action and receptivity, strength and gentleness, logic and intuition coexist in equilibrium. Throughout this video, we embarked on a profound journey through the 12 universal laws that govern our lives. From the interconnectedness of everything in the law of divine unity to the balance of masculine and feminine energies in the law of gender, we explored how these universal principles shape our reality and life experiences. These laws are not just abstract concepts, they are practical guides to living a more conscious and harmonious life. I invite you to reflect on how these laws manifest in your life. How can you align your actions and thoughts with these universal principles to create the reality you desire? How can you use the knowledge of these laws to grow, evolve, and live a more balanced and fulfilling life? If this video has sparked new ideas and insights, please share your thoughts in the comments. Your questions and reflections are welcome and enrich our collective understanding. And if you know someone who would benefit from this knowledge, don't hesitate to share the video with them. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so now. Your subscription helps us grow and continue to bring valuable content like this.